Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on how to draw cartoons. And today I've got something that just came out. I think you'll be very excited about it. I'm very excited about it. It's called Blank Comic Book. So if you ever wanted to create your own story, your own manga, your own superhero story, well, this will help you because inside are all the blank pages and the speech balloons and some special effects as well, so you can create your story and have everything laid out. Also, in the beginning, I should say that it has some hints on how to do it, which is nice, and it's not a flimsy book. It's a nice thick book, a nice thick binding. So you can check this out everywhere. It's everywhere. So I think it's at Michael's and Amazon, Barnes & Nobles, and so I wanted to make you aware of that. So now you're up to date. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.